A bag contains 3 blue counters, 1 red counter, and 1 yellow counters. Okay, cool. This will be, let's highlight. Okay. 3 blue counters, 1 red counter, and yet 1 yellow counters. Davina, wow, nice name. Chooses 3 counters. Okay, so let's take 3 counters at random from the back without replacement. Very important. The random variable S, okay, is the sum of the number of blue counters chosen and twice the red counter chosen.
Actually, what is random variable?
Oh, this one. Since the start of statistics, we are learning random variable.
No, I know. As in, like, if they ask you what is the random variable, then it's like, then what's the value?
What do you mean?
Like they say that S is twice the number of the.
Yeah.
So what's the random variable of red? The number of red.
We don't know. We are going to choose 3. Okay.
As in, like, is there a formula or something?
Okay. S will be equals to blue plus 2 red. 2 times number of red. Okay.
Why?
Okay. Now we have 3 blue. We have 1 red, and we have.
Shit! Oh shit! Wait.
What?
I thought it was like this is equals to S. Then this is equals to.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I still proceed?
Then. Wait, then what if what the shit? You won't read it that way, man.
No, they say S is the sum of the number of blue counters and twice the number of red counters chosen. There's after the N there was nothing else, then they should always say twice the number of red counters. Means this twice is connect is I mean according to grammar. I don't know how to teach English lah, really.
Okay.
Can I carry on?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are going to choose out of this, right? We're going to choose 3 counters, you know. And I don't know, these 3 counters can be 3 blue. It can be just 2 blue, 1 red. Or it can be like no blue at all, but just red and yellow. I don't know how many yellows they have also. Okay. But now we want, they say show that PS equals to 3 is equals to this. Okay. So we want to find what is the probability of S equals to 3. Okay. You got the first part lah.
No, look at my S is wrong.
Okay, to get 3, right? To get 3, it will be, we want S equals to 3. Okay, we want probability of S equals 3. So for probability of S equals 3, we need like probability of, it can be B equals 3. Right? Sorry. Shouldn't have expressed it like that. It can be just 3B, right?
How can it be 3B if the sum is 3?
We can have 3 blue. Because if I have 3 blue, I will get 3 what? Because I don't have red. Red is 0.
But then you said twice the number of red one.
Yeah, twice the number of red lah. But we are only choosing 3 counters. If all 3 counters that we chose are blue, then there's no red.
Oh, so this doesn't mean that the red is chosen. Like red has to be chosen.
If I choose 3 blue means there are 0 red really.
What the? I thought it was.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it can be 3 blue or it can be say one blue and one red, right? And one yellow. Agree?
Or one blue and two yellow.
Or one blue and two yellow. Cannot be.
Cause why?
We need the sum to be equal to 3. Eh? It's the sum of the blue counter chosen and twice the number of red counter chosen. Yellow is not even in the equation. You understand what I mean? You see, blue, red.
Wait, this is very confusing. Oh my god.
Okay, they are not even taking yellow into consideration. So
wait, why is this so complicated? Oh my god.
Okay, relax.
Like,
relax, man.
Shit?
If you think that it's complicated, everybody will think it's complicated. So the question is already hard in the first place. So what can change is your perspective. The question won't change. Correct, right? Yeah. This is what I always tell myself in an exam. The paper is set already. Black and white. It's not going to change. But the only thing that can change is how you look at it. Yeah. Okay, so we got 3 blue. We got 1 blue, 1 red, 1 yellow. Because this red will give me a score of 2. This blue will give me a score of 1. That's why I can get 3. Makes sense, right?
So those are the only two.
I think that those are the only 2. I'm trying to think of if there are other possibilities. And I don't think so already. Yeah. So we need to find what's the probability of getting 3 blue. So probability of getting 3 blue will be 3 over 4 plus y, or y plus 4, times 2 over y plus 3 times 1 over y plus 2. Right?
Yeah.
So that's the probability of 3 blue. Then probability of getting 1 blue, 1 red, 1 yellow will be
So how do you know if you're taking blue or red or yellow first?
Good question. Good question.
Is it 1 minus that?
Sorry again?
Not just 1 minus the probability of 3 blue.
No, cannot. 1 minus probability of 3 blue doesn't mean anything. It just means that I'm getting like not 3 blue. You understand what I mean? 1 minus probability of 3 blue, just that I'm just getting a probability of getting not 3 blue. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Jamie. Eh?
Shouldn't connect the audio yet.
Oh yeah. Sure. Okay, never mind, we carry on first. We cannot use 1 minus 3 blue. Because if we use 1 minus 3, okay. 1 minus 3 blue means that I'm just getting the probability of not getting 3 blue. Means it can be 2 blue, can be 1 blue. Make sense?
But isn't...
But here
PS...
1 minus probability of 3 blue, right, will give me the probability of 0 blue plus probability of 1 blue.
Oh my god.
Hi, sir.
Plus probability of 2 blue. Give me a minute. We are in a very intense situation right now.
Okay.
Oh, so this is, oh wait, hold up.
So you cannot use 1 minus probability of 3 blue.
So this is equals to 1, then PS equals 3 is not PS equals S.
Huh? What again?
Wait, what?
Cannot understand.
Okay.
Cannot understand.
Um. So this is equals to 1, right?
Yes, yes. You're right.
Then wait, the 1, is it PS equals to S or is it a sum?
1 is the sum.
So this thing
Means
is inside
you
that
need
lah.
PS equals to 0. But how do you know it's 0, 1, 2, and 3? How do you know?
Because I read the S wrongly.
Okay, because to even put all these values here, you need to be able to know what are all the values of S. It's like if you get 1 blue, or even if you get 0 blue, 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, what are the different scores of S that can be contributed because of this? But no lah, never mind lah. Let's not go the direction first. Let's not go the direction first. So now I want to find what's the probability of getting 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 yellow. So probability of getting, previously when we sort of did this before.
Is it the term 3 factorial?
No.
Oh, it's not. Is it must do separately, is it?
Yeah.
So it's the, if
Because
like
we don't know
example,
it's blue, red, yellow. We don't know which one first. Okay, because can be red, blue, yellow. Can be
yellow.
Yellow, blue, red. Can be yellow, red, blue. But actually, right, I think, right, we don't need to consider so many cases. Because I think the probability will still add up to become the same.
Why?
Because it's without replacement. Previously, we did another question from your tutorial. It was also like that.
Yeah.
It sort of still add up to give us the same probability. So we just need to multiply by, so it's blue, red, yellow, right? So it's 3 factorial, right? Which is equal to 6, right? We just need to times 6. We just need to find the probability of, let's say, okay, what's the probability of finding blue? Is 3 over y plus 4, right? Okay. Times, what's the probability of finding red? Red
1
is
over y
1
plus
over
3.
y plus 3. Times, probability of finding
Y?
yellow will be y over y plus 2. Okay.
So as long as there's,
Because you see, no matter what, the numerator, right, will always be 3, 1, and y. Even if you were to find yellow first, right, it will be y plus 4 times, let's say 1 plus 3 times 3 over y plus 2. You see, the top is always 1 times y times 3. Here also 3 times 1 times y. It will always be the same.
then with replacement,
With replacement, different already. With replacement, right? Let's say replacement will be 3 y plus 4. Here be times. The bottom part is always the same. Y plus 4 times y over y plus 4.
Then isn't it the same like if I do like red first, then
Yes. This one will be the same.
So with and without replacement, it will all be the same lah.
Okay, there's a difference between with replacement and without replacement. With replacement, the denominator will always be the same. Like over here, it will be y plus 4 times y plus 4 times y plus 4. Okay. Okay, you can say it to be the same, like you can say that is the same. It's the same.
Is it because in this context they're using like 3 different, but if they repeat like 2 blue then 1 red then?
Even if it's 2 blue, also the same.
So they're also with and without is the same lah.
Yeah. Okay, you can say that. Okay, let's carry on now. So basically, right, we need to times 3 factorial, which is times 6 lah, right? Times 6 over here. So from here, we will have 6 over y plus 4, y plus 3, y plus 2, plus 6 times 3y over the same thing. So from here, if you add them up together, you will get 6 bracket 1 plus 3y over y plus 4, y plus 3, y plus 2. Shown.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Next, given that PS equals 3 equals to 7 over 20, calculate y. Okay, this one should be easier. Okay, this one should be quite easy. Basically, just equate these to y. Equate these to 7 over 20. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hence, find the probability distribution of S. Means you need to find all the different values of S. So one of the S is 3. So we need to calculate for S. Because now S is equals to blue plus 2 red. So it can be like 3 blue, it can be 2 blue, it can be 1 blue, or it can be 0 blue. So in the event of 2 blue, it can be 2 blue with 1 red. Right? 1 blue can be 1 blue, 1 red also. 0 blue can also be 1 red. But there's a problem is that there can also be, because you don't know what is Y. Oh, you have to tell me what is Y first, because Y is the yellow counter. Can you tell me what is Y first? Can you help me calculate what is Y?
Oh.
Calculate what is Y. You know how to calculate or not? How are you going to do this?
Cross multiply.
No, don't do that. Renee, I teach you a shortcut. I tell you. I teach you a shortcut. In one step, you can solve.
Okay.
One step. You ready?
Yeah.
I tell you, you'll be mind blown.
Okay. Can we? How?
Plot the graph. Bring 7 over 20 to the left-hand side. Then you will get minus equals 0. Plot this graph. Find the roots.
Why find root? Oh my god, I forgot how to do.
Because you bring it over to the left-hand side, okay? Then you want to solve for y, right? You want to solve for y, right? You want to solve for y means you're trying to find the roots. Roots means what? The x-intercept.
Is that allowed?
Of course, why not?
Using GC.
They never said. They said calculate. They never say
So
find the
can
exact value of y. In fact, there's no need to find exact value of y. Y is already supposed to be exact. It's a yellow counter. It cannot be 2.5 yellow counter. 对吗?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I tell you, this is a power move. This one will save you a lot of time. Your friends will be busy calculating manually. It's very powerful. Whenever you see a very complicated expression, right, please leverage on this. This is like your cheat code, you know. Yeah, I blame myself for not utilizing this enough when I was doing A-levels. Serious.
Wow.
Zoom out, zoom standard. Zoom standard, you should be able to see clearer.
Not really.
No, then zoom.
Wait, it's like.
Then what others are there?
Wait. How do I find
0. Second cal 0. Calculate 0.
No, as in, yeah, but how do I find if I want y to be 0?
You want
like
y to be 0?
No,
Which
no,
y?
not this y, like the graph.
You want to find the y-intercept or x-intercept?
I don't know. You said you want to find the root, right?
Yes, I want to find the x-intercept. X-intercept is the root.
Yeah.
Root
So how do I
0.
find that? How to find? Because I only can search if like x equals to 0, or not like if y equals to 0, then what's the value of
0. I already say already is 0. You can second cal and then you will see 0.
But it says something wrong. Like, then you say left bound.
You have to find the x-intercept first. The x-intercept need to be in the picture. Then your left and right bound must be. You used this before, right? This 0 thing.
Okay, I found it. Y equals to 2.
Thank you. Thank you. It's damn nice, right? Just now. I should look at my GC. Not bad, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, so now you know y equals.
There's another one. Oh wait, I can't because that wait. Yeah, I can. The other one cannot because it's negative. Cannot.
Thank you. So we know that we got 3 red, 3 blue, 1 red, 2 yellow. Okay, so it can be 3 blue or 2 blue, 1 red, or 2 blue, 1 yellow, or it can be 1 blue, 1 red, or 1 blue.
What's this?
No, we're looking at the different combinations. It can be this combination, it can be this combination.
Wait. I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, okay.
My bad. Wait, what's this again?
You're talking to me or what?
I'm talking to you now.
Oh, you're talking to me now?
All these combinations are like if S is equals to
No. We don't know what are the different values of S. You know, like usually S can be equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. No, I don't know what are all these values. I don't know. That's why I want to find out what are the different combinations where I can choose the counter. It can be 3 blue, it can be 2 blue, 1 yellow, it can be 2 blue, 1 red, it can be 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 yellow. I'm not going to write the yellow because the yellow doesn't concern me. It can be 1 blue and 2 yellow, you know. It can be 0 blue, means it can be like just 1 red and 2 yellow. That's all right. Okay, then now we can go and calculate the value of S. Now we calculate the value of S. So for 3 blue, what's the value of S? It will be 3, right? 2 blue, 1 yellow is 2, right? 2 blue, 1 red is 3. Sorry, is 4. 1 blue, 1 red is 3. 1 blue, 2 yellow is 1.
So and then I need to calculate. Okay.
1 red, 2 yellow is 2. So now we know for S, you understand now?
So what's the probability distribution?
Yeah. So we know that S can take on 1, 2, 3, 4. So we already know what's the probability of 3 already. Is 7 over 20. So probability of getting 1. So now I want to calculate this because this is the easiest one, right? Probability of getting 1 blue and 2 yellow is 1 blue will be.
So for the probability calculation, we still like, then we consider the yellow lah.
Yeah, correct. Of course.
Wow.
明白吗?
明白.
So from here, I believe you know how to calculate on your own.
So yeah, wait, then so the answer will just be the table lah.
Yes, correct. Because they want the probability distribution, this is the table.
Okay, thank you.
You sure you can cope or not?
Uh,
Okay, why not you tell me how to find probability of 1 blue, 2 yellow? Because now I want to find probability of S equals 1. Here. Can you tell me how to find the probability of 1 blue, 2 yellow?
okay, 3 over the total times I'm just gonna write it down.
3 over what?
Total.
What's total? Why wait, sorry. Now we know what is y, right? Yeah, 3 over 6, yes. It's 6, not 4.
6 times
Then 2 yellow.
2 over 5 times 1 over 4 times 3 factorial over 2 factorial.
Yes, ACJC for the win.
Okay.
You got it, man.
Okay, so only example, if it's 2 blue, 2 red, right? So I just end that, so like the total is 4, right?
Sorry.
So when I do the
Say again.
Okay. Example, the number of counters they want is 4. So I have 2 blue and 2 red, right?
But they only want 3 counters.
Example.
Oh, example. Okay.
To the factorial thing, I just do 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial.
Yes.
Okay.
ACJC. Is PJC still there?
PJC is still here and waiting.
Nice. I'm Kenny.
Yes, I know you're my boss.
Yeah, hi waiting.
Yeah, can we go to my question, please? I want to go shower already.
You. Okay.
Exercise.
Okay, can I reading can I?
Mm.
Okay, I'm going to Jamie's question.
How come
Okay.
you are consult so late?
Huh?
How come you are consult so late?
Huh? Renee always do this with me. You should start to do this more often with me. Yeah. I feel like I feel like I feel like math question vending machine today. Really, it's not only your today. Is like I don't know why today especially really a lot. Like every single hour by hour, like wow. I feel like I never really have free time today. But never mind, it's okay. I
Today
love
she
math.
doesn't move. At least she's at home.
It's true. I love math. Okay, let me check out. You want to listen to Jimmy's question?
I got another question that I'm supposed to do. I just try first.
Okay.
I
Okay, you can try first. You mean math question or what?
Yeah, like the second question of the homework. Okay, I will disappear now. Bye.
Okay,
I
bye.
won't leave, but I'll just disappear.
Sure.
You won't even know I'm here. Okay, bye.
Sure. Hi, James.
Yes, boss.
How's your day?
Okay.
Productive?
Not bad.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so okay, what is this question? I don't understand. I only see solution.
Basically, you don't really need to know the context. It's basically just like the standard question, and then they ask you to find like the what do you call it?
They say Wn is a real number, is it?
Yes.
So if Wn is a real number, so from
It's
here,
a positive real number. Then I use like your method, but then she go and put Wn must be positive too.
what was my method again? Because I never memorized. What is that? What did I write?
K pi.
Sorry again?
Equals to K pi is up there.
If it's real number, is equals to K pi.
Yeah, I wrote it there.
Oh yeah. Sorry. I'm a bit sad already. Let's take a look. Wow, it's a very bad graph. K pi. If it's a real number, it will be K pi. But if it's a positive real number, K pi means it's like that. Or it means it either falls on here or falls on here. But if it is a positive real number, it should fall here.
Oh.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Because this whole part here is negative. This whole part here is positive. So you want 6n to be equals to 2k pi. Because this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this is 4, 5, 6. So as you can see here, whenever it comes back to this spot, right, it's always an even number.
Wait, what?
You understand what I'm trying to say?
No.
Okay, I repeat. From here to this angle is what? Pi, right? Okay. Do you agree that if it's a real number, it must either occur here or here? Since they say k pi, right?
Yeah.
Because k pi can be pi, can be 2 pi, can be 3 pi, can be 4 pi, can be 5 pi, can be 6 pi. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so when k is pi, we end up here, right?
Yeah.
Correct. And over here is in a negative region.
Oh,
right?
so you go down.
So if since it's in a negative region, right? Our x values is in a negative region, right? Here will be a negative real number.
Oh.
But when we add another pi, come back to here, one circle, right? 2 pi, right?
Yeah.
When we come back to this point here, it becomes a positive real number. Then we add another 2 pi, we get 4 pi, is also a positive real number. The question wants it to be a positive real number. So we know that it's because k pi is the general formula for real number. But for positive real number, it must be 2k pi. This will be positive real number.
Okay.
You can add that to the notes.
Okay.
Yeah. 可以吗? If
Yeah.
you want,
Okay. So wait.
Negative real number will be this will be negative real number. But usually they ask for positive.
Okay.
So you have to equate your negative pi over 6n to 2k pi.
Okay.
Mm.
Wait, then you use k pi when they just say real number without saying whether it's positive or
Yes,
negative.
you are right. PJC is the best.
Okay, that's it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Shower time.
Let me try see whether it works out.
Sure. God, like. Oh my God. What? No, it's very serious. I tell you. Outside.
Why?
Like, if you go out, right, you never wear mask, right? You go to like supermarkets and all, right?
Oh yeah.
I tell you, don't try. They really find people. You sit at the void deck for a while, they really dish out the $300 fine. Not funny, man. Anyway, tomorrow. Are you 21 yet or not?
Huh? Hello?
No, you look like an adult to me, that's why. Yeah.
Wait, but then it gives me negative 12. Oh.
What do you mean?
Like n is like when I work it out, it gives me n equals negative 12 because it's negative pi over 6, no? Yeah, then there will be a negative there, but it's positive 12.
So n will be equals to negative 12k. What did the question ask for? What's the question? They asked for something, right? What are the values
find the
of k?
smallest positive integer n such that Wn is a positive real number. Oh, so do I just sub in like -1 into the k instead of +1? Is that allowed?
What was the question again? Find the smallest
positive integer n. So instead of like subbing in +1 into k, do I just like sub in -1?
You cannot sub in positive really. You know what? You sub positive, you are just going to get, because k is basically any integer.
So I can just put negative number.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So just like yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, set. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Remember, Jimmy. Sorry. Remember this thing, okay? Can you add this to your notes? I didn't add it in because. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Much appreciated. Thank you. Bye bye.
The offer stands, man. Anytime you need a Zoom, really just send and then we'll just Zoom.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Hi Renee, are you still there? Renee, are you still there?